For this card trick, you're gonna need 21 cards. Tell the person to pick a card and put it back in any spot. Sort the cards into 3 piles. After you're done putting the cards into 3 piles, ask the person what pile their card is in. After they tell you what pile their card is in, pick up all the piles and make sure that the pile with their card is in the middle. Repeat this 3 more times, and on the 4th time, their card is gonna be the 11th one that you put in one of the piles. For this trick, you're gonna need 1 coin. To do this magic trick, all you're gonna do is have the coin in between your thumb and your pointer finger. And with your other hand, you're gonna go and grab it, and right before you grab it, you're gonna drop it into your palm. So it makes it look like you're actually grabbing the coin, but really the coin is still in the same hand, but in the palm. The hand with the coin is gonna point to your other hand, and you can say any magic words or wave your hand, and slowly reveal that nothing is in your hand. For this trick, you're gonna need a shoelace or a piece of yarn. Take both ends of the string and have it between your pointer finger and your thumb, but showing over the top of your finger. After that, you're gonna grab the loop all the way at the bottom and bring it up to the 2 ends. When you bring the loop up, grab just below one of the ends and bring it through that loop. After that, cut the loop that you made, and since it's just below one of the ends, you're only cutting off a little bit from one of the ends. After that, sneakily get rid of that tiny piece you cut off and show to the audience that the string is still together.